Hi, good afternoon. So, before we start discussing some things, we will each introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Shalomita Amanda Krisla Samahu.
My name is Widya Yusafitri. Okay, Mita, tell us at least four skills that are important for the success of your study and why.
So, the four skills that are important for successful study are first, time management. The ability to manage time will help in completing assignment and preparing for exam without feeling overwhelmed. This allows you to set priorities and maintain a balance between studying and other activities. Second, communication skills. Whether verbal or written, these skills are important for interacting with lecturers and classmates as well as for conveying ideas and understanding clearly. This is also important in collaboration on group projects. Third, analytical skills. The ability to analyze information, solve problems, and think critically is very useful in understanding course material and developing solid arguments in academic assignment. 4. Independence in learning. The ability to study independently and seek additional learning resources can increase understanding and knowledge. This is important in facing academic challenge and maintaining motivation. Okay, Vidya, how often do you socialize with fellow students? Tell us the details.
Okay, as student, I believe that socializing with friends is essential for personal and academic. I usually socialize several times a week, whether during classes, in study group, or at informal gatherings. For example, I often meet up with friends to prepare for upcoming exam. This activity not only help us review the material but also strengthen the friendship between us. Beyond the academic aspect, I'm also active in various campus activity, which provide great opportunity to meet new people and collaborate on projects. Sometimes we organize group outing such as going for coffee together or attending campus event, which help create a balanced college experience. These social interactions are not just about having fun. They also build a sense of community and support among us students, making the college experience and more enjoyable and fulfilling. Okay, Mita, what types of social media are you using and what benefit can you get from and why?
The social media that I use is the first Instagram because of visual storytelling, where visual content attracts attention more easily and can convey message quickly. This is especially effective for brands that want to highlight a product or lifestyle. There is also personal branding where users can control their image by choosing the content they share, which is important for influencers and businesses. And finally, interaction. Interactive features such as polls and questions and answers make users feel involved and build a community. The second is TikTok because creativity and entertainment. The short video format encourages creativity and allows users to innovate in the way they convey their message. TikTok also allows new content to be seen by many people quickly, providing a great opportunity for recognition. And TikTok are often the payers of new trends, attracting many users to join in. Third, YouTube, because there is educational content. Many users look for tutorial or in-depth information on YouTube. Apart from that, creators can earn income for advertising, which motivates more people to create quality content. Comments and interaction on video build relationship between creator and viewers and create a sense of togetherness. Okay, Widya, what does it mean to be good with money? Please explain.
Okay, in my opinion, being good with money means managing finance well and making the right decision. This influences understanding the difference between needs and wants, prioritizing important things like food and education before spending money on useless items. Good money management also includes creating a budget, saving for emergency, and planning for the future through investment. It's about being disciplined in avoiding impulse spending and regularly reviewing our spending habit. Ultimately, being good with money means taking control our financial situation, which leads to greater stability and the ability to achieve long-term goals.
So here I will describe the third photo. The photo shows a scene inside an office or meeting room where a group of people are engaged in a discussion or presentation. The room has a contemporary design with lots of natural light coming in through large windows. The walls are natural in color and lamps hang from the ceiling, providing additional lighting. There are 5 people in the photo, 3 women and 2 men. Person 1, far left, appears to be actively participating in the discussion, raising her hand, perhaps waiting to ask a question or share an idea. Person 2, next to person 1, facing forward, looking towards the person speaking. They appear to be listening attentively. Person 3, center, wearing glasses. This person is sitting with their hand on their chin, indicating that they are thinking or analyzing something about what is being discussed. Person 4, standing to the right of person 3. They appear to be the presenter or leader of the meeting, holding a paper in one hand and gesturing with the other, indicating that they are explaining or presentation information. Person 5, far right. They are holding a pen and looking towards the presenter with a laptop in front of them, indicating active engagement in the meeting. Next, table and items. The large table in the middle is covered in various items, including an open laptop, notebooks, and stationery, indicating the group is working or discussing something in details. There is also a bottle of water and a few other small items such as sticky notes. Overall, the scene depicts a professional and collaborative atmosphere with participants engaged in focused and interactive discussion, which is typical of team meetings.
Now, I'm going to description picture 1. This image depicts a team of healthy care professionals working together in what appears to be medical facility, likely hospital or clinic. At the center of the photo is male doctor dressed in white coat with stethoscope around his neck, suggesting he is the team leader or primary physician. He stands confidently with his arms crossed, displaying essence of auto-touring couple with approachability. This calm and welcoming demeanor in the kitchen his capability in the leading and coordinating the team effectively. Surrounding Here are 5 other healthy professionals dressed in blue and green crops. Indication that they could be nurses, medical assistant, or support staff. Each of them is smelling warmly, which creates a positive. Their close and organized standing position suggests a strong sense of teamwork and unity, which are crucial traits in the medical field. The relaxed yet professional body language of the group highlight their camaraderie, vital factor preventing effective patient care. The setting appears bright, clean, and modern, meeting high healthcare standards and reflecting the team professionalism and rightness. The image highlights the importance of team and communication in healthcare, where collective effort matters more than individual skill. The smile and positive energy of the team suggests a sport work culture crucial for. Hi Nita! I heard you been having trouble with your budget lately. What's it going on? Is there something in particular that's been weighing you down?
Yeah, I've been struggling lately. My dad sends me money every month, but by the end of the month, I'm usually almost out of it. It feels like even though I try to manage it, it's just never enough.
Why you have talked about ways to save on your budget? Maybe there is something expense you could adjust.
I've considered it, but it's hard to figure out where to start. Every time I try calculate, there's always some unexpected expense. What advice do you have that could help?
Well, one option you could try is creating a detailed monthly budget. You can list all your expenses like rent, food, utilities, then see how much you can allocate for each category. That way, it's easier to track where your money is going.
That sounds helpful. I could set aside a certain amount for groceries and entertainment. I might also prioritize the essence first.
Exactly. And maybe you can find cheaper grocery store or use coupon to save more. It's a good way to reduce spending without sacrificing quality.
I've never really used coupons before. Do they actually make a big difference in my monthly spending?
You can. Even small savings add up over time. Every time you use coupon, it's like saving money for something else. Also consider preparing meals at home. Cooking in bulk can help reduce food costs throughout the week, and it's harder too.
Meal preparing sounds like a good idea. I often get out because I am too tired to cook. Maybe I could try planning a weekly menu.
Exactly. Planning meals can really help. Plus, you can limit eating out to special occasions like when hang out with friends. That can save a lot.
Absolutely. I'm also thinking of cutting down on some subscription. I don't really need all of them. Maybe I could evaluate which one are truly useful.
This smart move. Sometimes just streaming a few subscriptions can free up more money for necessitating. Try listing all your subscription and see which ones you really use.
Right. I also want to have a saving goals. What do you think is the goal of saving?
By saving, we can save money for emergency fund, education, investment, or holiday. Mita, you also don't spend money on unhealthy habit.
Oh, it turns out it's like that. Widya, I'm often very wasteful when shopping using a credit card when I go to the mall. I don't know how to be wise in using a credit card.
Mita, using credit card wisely is important to finding ways. Tips for me: you set spending limit for your credit card every month and stick to that budget. Prioritize your needs, record spending, and take advantage of apps or credit card alert feature to remind you of spending limit or payment due date.
Wow, that's right. Thank you for all your input, Vidya. You can always be relied on to give advice.
No problem, you got this. Just take it step by step, and you see improvement in no time. And don't hesitate to reach out if you need more help or just one talk.
Definitely. Your support means a lot, and I'll be sure to ask for help when I need it. Hopeful I can get through this tough time soon. Thank you, Widya.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, Widya, what do you usually do to save money?
To save money, I implement several effective strategies. First, establish a monthly budget that outlines my income and necessary expenses, which help me identify where my money goes and what I can cut back on. I make a conscious effort to limit my spending on non-essential items such as dining out or shopping for unnecessary goods. Instead, I prioritize home cooked meals and careful plan my shopping trip to avoid impulse and purchase additional. I often look for sales, discount, and promotional offer to maximize and my purchase. Well, prioritizing need over wants of furthermore. Setting saving goals help me stay focused and motivated.
Wah, yes, I really agree with what you said about saving finance. Do you know manage your finance well?
Yeah, of course, I manage my finance well. By the way, Mita, you study at UMN, right?
Yes.
Why did you choose Universitas Multimedia Nusantara for your undergrad degree?
Because at Multimedia Nusantara University, there are many study programs that have a good accreditation. Lecture facilities are very good. That Multimedia Nusantara University also has successful and famous alumni. In addition, Multimedia Nusantara University also uses the concept of brand building with natural lighting, air conditioning that is turned off automatically, and water refill station. Vidya, what do you think about the facilities available at Multimedia Nusantara University? Have the exciting facilities been used wisely or not?
The facility available at the university significantly impact the quality of student learning. Adequate facilities such as a well-stocked library, comfortable classroom, and fast internet access can support the teaching and learning process more effectively. Additionally, the presence of facility like discussion rooms is also important for deepening student understanding of the course material. With good facilities, students can be more focused and motivated to learn, which can ultimately hinge their academic performance.
Yes, I very agree with your opinion, Lydia. So, what do you think is the use of friends?
Friends are important for sport, companionship, and sharing experience. They can provide the emotional support during tough times, celebrating success, and offering different perspective on various issues. Ultimately, friends enrich our life and help us feel connected.
Oh, okay. But in my opinion, friends are useful as a source of support, happiness, and a place to share. They help us through hard times, celebrate happy moments, and provide different perspectives. Friends can also be a mirror that helps us grow and become the best version of ourselves.
Mita, what is the most important things in relationship?
The most important things in a relationship are trust, honesty, and loyalty because they build a sense of security, openness, and commitment in the relationship. Trust provides comfort, honesty maintains communication, and loyalty shows dedication. Without these three, the relationship will be vulnerable to doubt and uncertainty.
Are you interested in joining a commitment organization or UKM? If so, what do you want to join and give a reason?
Yes, I'm interested in joining UKM organization or community because this is an opportunity to develop skills outside the classroom, which is very important for career and self-development. In addition, it can be used to hone soft skills, expand relationship, develop passion and interest, increase self-confidence and experience, a more attractive CV, and train yourself in learning to manage time between lecture and other activities. If UKM, I want to join campus visit organization, I want to join HMF or BEM, commit, I want to join PPEF or Starlight.
Wow, so very excellent. Thank you.